What if I told you there is a place on Earth where mountains touch the clouds, waterfalls fall from frozen cliffs, and the night sky dances with green lights? A place so beautiful that it almost feels unreal. Today, we are traveling to one of the most breathtaking countries in the world, Norway. From deep fjords and snowy mountains to magical northern lights, this journey will show you nature at its absolute finest. Located in northern Europe, Norway is a country filled with incredible natural beauty. Massive mountains, crystal-clear fjords, frozen glaciers, and peaceful villages create landscapes that look straight out of a fantasy movie. Nature here feels untouched and pure. Every road, every lake, and every mountain view tells a story of beauty and silence. For many travelers, Norway is not just a country, it is a dream destination. Norway is home to countless waterfalls created by melting glaciers and mountain rivers. Among them, Fjords is one of the most famous. Water crashes down from a height of nearly 180 meters, creating an incredible natural spectacle. The sound of the falling water, the cold mountain air, and the surrounding cliffs make this place feel both peaceful and powerful. In northern Norway, summer brings one of nature's most fascinating phenomena. During certain months, the sun never fully sets. Even at midnight, the sky remains bright and glowing. This is known as the midnight sun. Golden sunlight covers the mountains and oceans throughout the night, creating scenes that look almost unreal. People from all around the world travel here just to witness this magical experience.